The story begins in the early 20th century with the development of the machine gun. This weapon revolutionized warfare, allowing soldiers to fire hundreds of rounds per minute and changing the dynamics of ground combat forever. As we moved into the mid-20th century, the world witnessed the birth of the atomic bomb, a weapon of such destructive power that it forever altered the course of history. The creation of the atomic bomb marked a significant shift in military technology, introducing the concept of weapons of mass destruction. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and we see the emergence of stealth technology. This innovation allowed military aircraft to fly undetected by radar systems, significantly changing the strategies of aerial warfare. Entering the 21st century, the rapid development of drone technology took center stage. These unmanned aerial vehicles provided a new way to conduct surveillance and carry out precision strikes without risking human lives. Now, in the second decade of the 21st century, we're witnessing the rise of cyber warfare. With nations developing sophisticated hacking capabilities, the battlefield has moved from the physical realm to the digital world. So what does the future hold? Well, the answer might lie in artificial intelligence. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions at lightning speed, AI has the potential to revolutionize military technology once again. In summary, from the machine gun to artificial intelligence, military technology has experienced an incredible evolution. Each new development has dramatically altered the strategies and outcomes of warfare, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The journey through history shows us that military technologies have always been on another level, constantly pushing the envelope of innovation. As we look to the future, one thing is certain. The face of warfare will continue to change as technology continues to evolve. So, the next time you hear about a new military technology, remember this journey through time. Remember how each innovation has shaped the course of history and consider what the future might hold. For as we've seen, military technology is always on another level, and who knows what amazing advancements await us in the years to come.